Ito po yung smart foreheads. Printer head. Cupping. Cleaning. Nozzle test. Ito naman po yung ground wire at AVR. Ito naman po ang ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. In-use supplies. Dito naman po ang stocks at unused. Unused assembly roll. Sa consumable, ang na-consume kong 1.55 roll ay 10. Dalawang Inktek cyan, isang magenta, isang yellow, at isang black. Naka 929 meters naman po ako na run last week. Ito naman po ang aking printer daily checklist.